everyone, it's great to see you. I am here to give you an update on the seeds. So we are beginning with the geraniums, and I am so happy with how these are doing. So if you remember, a couple weeks ago, I said, oh, we are in big trouble with these geraniums. The leaves were turning red, like really red, and that meant they were under a lot of stress, and I had figured out it was from overwatering them. So took them all out, put them in new potting mix, and take a look at how good they are doing now. I am happy to say, I'm pretty sure, fingers crossed, that they are going to survive. Now here's the big thing that I changed. I took the wicking mat out and I'm keeping it dry in here except for about maybe every 5 days. I fill the tray underneath with water and let them sit for about 20 to 30 minutes in that. Then if there's any extra water, I dump it out. I'm not letting it just be there all the time. And they seem much happier. So we are going to have a lot of little geraniums for the yard. Let me tell you what's going on with the Coleus seeds. With the Coleus seeds, I have 3 trays of Coleus planted. The first batch, as you can see here, have some of the leaf coloring coming in. So these are not just the cotyledons anymore. We have the real leaves. We're starting to see some of the variation in types, which is always so much fun. The second batch here, we still see some of the new leaves coming in. They're quite a bit smaller, but they're doing well. And then those that I planted last week, most of them have germinated. I do still have a humidity dome on them, although I have taken them off the heat now. So it looks like the Coleus are coming along strong. My Vinca also seem to be doing well. They're very small still, and since I haven't grown them before, I'm assuming that's how they're supposed to be. They do have a set of real leaves now, and they look like Vinca leaves, so that's a good sign. I guess I just wait and see how they do. And then finally, I have the purple bellflowers, which we know are really, really difficult to get going and take a very, very long time to germinate. So as you can see here, we have a few little sprouts. I can't say I'm overwhelmed with how well they're doing, but I think I will probably get at least a couple plants out of this, and that's what I was hoping for. I hope if you have started seeds that you can see some of that wonderful growth. It is exciting, and it does get us in the mood for getting out in the garden. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.